Welcome back to another new exciting video, guys. Finally, it is very easy to use any of the Ollama model with OpenClaw because Ollama is now an official provider for OpenClaw. And you know the advantage. Here you see that the simple command, a one-line command that you need to run to use the OpenClaw with Ollama. There is no other command you need to run. There is no other setup. Just only one command and you are good to go to use OpenClaw with Ollama. Okay. And also here you see that I have done the setup locally and I am using it, and here you see that by default it is using this Kimi K2 cloud model. You know that inside Ollama you can use the cloud models and also the local installed model. So for cloud model, if you are a free tier user, then you will get some of the messages for free, and for local it is unlimited free. Okay. And also if you want to switch to any other model, then simply you need to run this OpenClaw configure. So these two commands are enough to use OpenClaw inside your machine. So let me show you the step-by-step process, and if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe this channel Code Digit to get this type of content daily. So first you need to install this OpenClaw. For that, go to this openclaw.ai, and after that just here scroll down below and you will find this documentation. Click on that, and after that you will find this page installation. Scroll down, and here according to your operating system, Mac, Linux or Windows, just install it. I have installed it through PowerShell, so this is the command I copied, and here you see that I have just pasted it, and this OpenClaw installed successfully the latest version. And after this, the single command that you need to run is the OpenClaw onboard and auth-choice Ollama. So just let me copy it. So I have given this command in description. You just copy it from description and open any of the CMD. Okay, and here just paste it and press enter. Okay, now it will ask some of the questions here. So let me just make it large. Okay, and here you see that it is asking me, I understand this is personal by default, yes. And onboarding mode, quick start or manual, I will go for the quick start, and it is the Ollama base URL. Press enter, and now it is asking me Ollama mode, cloud plus local or local. So if you just want to use the all of the cloud models, because for cloud you will get this Minimax 2.5 as a free model, and also GLM 4.7 and also Kimi K 2.5. So these are the cloud models that are available, means you don't need to download it locally, and there also you will get some free tier messages. So I will go for this both cloud plus local, and by default it will use this Kimi K 2.5 cloud. Okay, and after that you can select this channel as your choice, Telegram or any other. For now I am skipping it. And after that, search provider, you can use any of the Gorg, Gemini or Brave. For now I am skipping it. Okay, configure skill now, no, because if I do all of these steps, then the video will be very lengthy, because the purpose of this video is to show you how you can use Ollama model, any of the Ollama model inside OpenClaw for very easy steps. Now skip for now, gateway service running. Okay, and it is now asking me, how do you want to hatch your bot, hack in TUI recommended or open the web UI. Okay, so you can choose any other things, but I will choose this, do this later, because I want to open it with the one another URL, and for that we have one command. So the command is this OpenClaw dashboard. So if I just show you, I am already running it. So if I run it again, then I may get error, so that's why I am showing you from my existing dashboard where I am already running it. Okay, so if you see it, that after these steps, onboarding complete, and here you see that OpenClaw dashboard. So if you just write it OpenClaw dashboard, then you will get this kind of dashboard URL with token, and this token is very important, right? Now if you open it, and then you will find this kind of page. Okay, and here you see that I have written hi. Again, if I just write hi, and here you see that I got the output, hey, good to see you again. And this time this output from the Kimi K 2.5 cloud model, it is showing here. Okay, and now if we want to change to any other Ollama model, for that we have another command, which is the Ollama configure. So if you select this Ollama configure and open any of the CMD and paste it, OpenClaw configure, OpenClaw configure. Now here you see that existing config detected, model I am using this Kimi K 2.5 cloud, and where will the gateway run, so local or remote. Okay, I will choose this local because I am running it locally. Now select the session to configure. I want to configure the model, select this model, and here you need to choose the Ollama. So just scroll down below and select where this Ollama is present. Yes, Ollama is here, and here you see base URL, press enter, cloud plus local, yes, and now you will get all of this list. So here you see that for this cloud selection you will get this GLM 5 cloud, GLM 4.7 cloud, and Minimax M2.5 cloud. And now below here you see that this Qwen 3.5 0.8 billion I have installed locally, Sierra 8 billion I have installed locally, and this is another model, Claude 4.5 Opus high reasoning latest. Okay, this is the model. You know that I made the video previously that this Qwen 3 plus Claude Opus 4.5 high reasoning dataset, and if I select this then it will be configured. Okay, so now if I go model again and if I choose Ollama, then you will be able to see that by default now it is pointing to that model. Okay, so this one. Okay, so how can you choose that? Just select space, and now it is pointing to this model, and press enter. So it is very easy guys now to use this any Ollama model with this OpenClaw. And now this is the very easy setup. So you need to use this command, and when the setup is done, after that you need to use this command OpenClaw dashboard to get the URL where you will actually use the entire UI, this interface that I have already shown you. And after that if you want to change to any other model, then this is the OpenClaw configure. This three command is enough, no other command, no other setup. Okay, so yes, this was the video. I think you will be, so I think this video was very helpful to you, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe this channel, don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.